In this demo, let's walk through Quipli's service and repair feature, designed to help you manage both internal fleet maintenance and external customer repairs. From the main Service and Repair tab, you'll find two key views: work orders and scheduled services. In the work order section, you can filter by location or search for specific equipment, order numbers, parts, or services. Work orders are grouped into tabs: current, upcoming, past due, and history, so you can quickly find what needs your attention. To create a new work order, click on the ellipsis in the top right corner and select Add Work Order. From here, you'll be able to select whether the work order is for your internal fleet or a customer repair. Then you can add a start date and time, and optionally you can add an end date if the timeline is known. From here, you'll add the product and the unit number, and then you can mark the unit availability as soft down or hard down. Marking it as soft down will keep the unit available, whereas hard down will remove it from your availability until the repairs are complete. Then you can select your location, add a PO number, and select which type of repair it is, like waiting for parts. You also have the option to add a note. And from here, you can create the work order. From the work orders page, you'll see all information that pertains to the order. You can edit this at any time by clicking the pencil icon in the top right corner. This is how you can add a mechanic to the order. In the Parts and Services panel, you can add labor and material from your live inventory, keeping costs and stock levels accurate. This also lets you track repair costs over time, helping you assess the profitability of each asset and make smarter fleet decisions. You can add notes to track the progress of the work order, and in this email history panel, you can track all outbound communication related to the job. This is primarily used for emailing invoices for customer repairs. You'll notice that the work order hasn't started yet. Just click this Start button to kick things off. Once you start the work order, its status will change to In Progress. When the repair is complete, you can update the status to Complete, enter the actual work end date, and input the final repair cost. From here, you can select Complete. The actual cost will appear here and is also reflected in the product report, giving you a lifetime view of how much has been spent on service and maintenance for this asset. On the Scheduled Services tab, you can automate recurring tasks like annual inspections or preventative maintenance. These generate work orders automatically, helping you stay compliant and reduce downtime. When you have a scheduled service and a unit is checked in or off rented, your team can enter the updated hour meter reading. This reading can automatically trigger the next scheduled service, like an oil change every 200 hours, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks.